গৌৰৱ গগৈক বাদ দি সকলোৰে ওপৰত একশ্যন লোৱা হৈ গৈছে এজনে পাকিস্তান প্ৰেমী মানুহ বাছি আছে তাৰ বাদে কোনো বাছি থকা নাই বাকি সকলোকে আপুনি যদি চাই আকৌ এটা মই দিছো সুখোই 400 কিনুতেও কিন্তু গৌৰৱ গগৈৰ বহুত নিগেটিভ অবজাৰভেশন আছিল তেওঁক মই আজি এবাৰ মই যদি মোৰ লগত আছে মই টুইটটো দেখুৱাই দিব খুজিছো মানে These are very dangerous elements we have inside our country. Hekane baki to ebilak to moi control kori thakibo paru. Chinta nai. Eto sabo Gaurav Gogoi tweet korisil. There is a pressure on India from the US on trade, Iranian oil and Russia's S-400. Indeed, I don't want government to reply on the floor of the parliament. I am sure you would have studied this in greater detail. I will require you to share the link of your story. Mane kunoba Provin Sahaniya tweet disil je Modi government S-400 to gondogol korisil. He tweeted at that point of time saying that Modi is under pressure not to purchase S-400. But you have seen that we have today all the S-400 system. So all his tweets, all his systems, always against the defense establishment.